if you always go live with your phone on a mobile data, there's chances that incoming calls will interfere with your live streaming session. Just like me, sometimes my internet providers, they can be funny on a very important live streaming day. So I'll be concerned that when I'm going live or when I'm already live, incoming calls will interfere with my live streaming. So there's this code you can dial on your phone before you go live that will prevent calls from coming into your phone. Now, I know some of you might have been putting your phone on silent mode, or you put your phone on, on DND, that is do not disturb mode, so that you can have a good live streaming. But you will come to discover that when you are live, when you get an incoming call, it will come through and it will also interfere with your internet data. Now, what you need to do a few minutes before you go live, just dial **21**, then you dial a phone number, then at the end of the phone number, you now enter hash and then send the code. So this will divert every incoming calls to the number you entered before the hash. You get the point? So this will enable you, when you are going live, any call that is coming after you have dialed this code will be diverted to that number. So like in my own case, I do put invalid number as the as the divert number, so that when someone calls me, they will get a message that the number is invalid. So probably after the live streaming, they can call me back and get me. Now, when you are done with your live streaming, make sure that you dial the second code, ##21#. So with this code, you'll be able to clear the divert that you added on your phone. So this is very, very important if you are a content creator and if you do live streaming often. Like I was discussing with a YouTuber, and she told me that the first time she tried to go live on her channel, it wasn't funny. That she did almost about four sessions just for one live streaming. That each time she starts a live streaming, a call will come in and the live stream will just end immediately. So she have to do the live streaming like up to 4 times. So this is a very easy way to avoid your live streaming being interrupted. Now, I know some of you don't even have that cash to buy your Wi-Fi or your MiFi. And even though if you have a Wi-Fi, you might be in an event, or especially an outdoor event, and you want to live stream. When you put this code before you go live, that will save you a lot of stress or inconvenience. So dial this code before you go live. That is, if you are using your phone on a mobile data, dial this code and it will divert every call that might potentially want to interfere with your live streaming. And when you are done, make sure that you dial the second code to remove the call divert. Now, if your phone has dual SIM, make sure that you dial this code on the 2 phones, and when you are done with the live streaming, also dial the second code on the 2 phones. So if you are knowing this for the first time, let me know in the comment section, and if this was helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And this is just a brief one from your tech informant. I will see you soon.